A guide you to turn off dark mode on YouTube app on your Android phone or even the iPhone. So let's go to the YouTube here. And from there, you need to tap on the profile, which means you. And you could see my YouTube app is on the dark mode right now. So if I need to turn off that, you need to tap on the U option, which means your profile. After that, you need to tap on the settings over the top, which is the gear icon. And you need to scroll down to find general, so that is over the top for me and that could be different for you, and I'm tapping on general. In the general, you need to find appearance, so here it is, which is the third for me, and I can tap on here. You could see the dark theme is turned on. Now let's say if you need to turn off that, you can switch over light theme, or otherwise you can use by default use device theme. So I'm going ahead into the light theme, and that is within the seconds that have been changed. This is how you turn off dark mode on YouTube app on Android. So you could follow the same steps even in the iPhone too. Thank you.